Okay, let's just... Is this gonna kill? Probably not. What is up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Elite Smash Gameplay with Kirby. Today is going to be, I think, the 4th episode. As you can see, I've got a lot of characters in Elite Smash. I still have not gotten all of them, though, because I suck with all the characters that are left. So, we're gonna go into some more games with Kirby. We're not doing the face cam this time. Let me know if you prefer that or not, if you love seeing my ugly face, or you just prefer the voice. I don't know. We'll see. Ooh, Bowser Jr., or Ludwig, I guess, in this case. Interesting. You rarely see those online. I've seen a couple. This one, I don't like the matchup for Kirby. I mean, it's not horrible, and we can combo him pretty hard, but from the ones I've played, they've all been super solid. So, I mean, yeah, you can get some pretty crazy combos on him. You can just kind of link some forward airs. Oh, how did not hit? I tech that! I tech... Oh, that's lame. Solid hit play by him, though. Oops. Man, I was so close to hitting that first down air. That down air probably would have finished him off. Oh, goodness, he's good. He's good. Uh-oh, I don't have many jumps. I'm dead, aren't I? Wow, am I about to get 3-stocked? Delay. Oh, he went past the ledge. Man, this guy is good at mixing up everything he's doing. He has tech in place both times, though, so... Ooh, okay. Oh, man, that was ugly play by me. I'm not playing well, but let's see. There you go. I was about to say, eventually he's gonna have to come up, so this is gonna be hard to make the comeback, but let's see what happens. Carry him off the stage. Oh, no. Whew. Okay, well, 61% is not bad. Oh! Uh-oh. That it? No. We're good! Oh, we got him! We got him! Okay, let's do this. Let's do this. Okay. This is funny. This is a weird game. They're never normal games against Bowser Jr. Ooh, okay. Forward throw, forward air. Let's re-grab. Oh! Should have just gone for the forward air. Oh! I thought he killed himself. I feel like he's DIing in, because they should not be connecting that well. Ooh, okay. I thought he was gonna do neutral get up, but he'd get attacked, but I happened to be shielding it in time. Okay, so he's gonna wait. Got him! There it is. Okay. So, as you saw there, at the beginning he was doing very well because he was not, or because he was mixing up his recovery. He was waiting very long before he would recover. And I kind of picked up on that. And he didn't mix it up at all at the end. Had he done some earlier up Bs, he would have been fine. But he kept just waiting till the last possible second, and then once he had ran out of all his options, then he was forced to up B, and I was able to spike him down to the blast zone. It is against a Wii Fit trainer. Okay, so this is one of the few matchups I think Kirby really wins. But I have lost my fair share of Wii Fit trainers, so you never know. So I don't know the optimal Wii Fit combo. It's probably... Oops, that was supposed to be down there. Okay, so he's rolling from the ledge a lot. I feel like I've played this guy before. The name looks familiar, and if memory serves me correctly, he would only neutral get up and roll from ledge. So let's see if this is the guy I'm thinking of. So basically, you kind of want to condition him to roll from ledge, so that actually might not have been the best idea right there to do. So now he's just going to neutral get up? Yep. Because he knows roll from ledge is unsafe. Oh, I thought he was going to neutral get up because he had gotten punished for rolling from ledge. So there are more than 2 options, guys. So now he's probably going to only neutral get up, at least for a little while. Yeah, he can't get down there too long. I kind of want his power. Ooh. Yeah. Nope, that was not good. Ah. Okay. Woo! He went down. I didn't think he'd come down. Okay, so he likes to roll. Really? I was jabbing. Man, he is getting me. I keep on just missing that neutral. There it is, finally. Because that's actually pretty good against neutral get up because it's just a constant hitbox. Yeah, he has only done those two options, which is so weird. Usually they'll throw in a get-up attack or something, but nope. He might not even know there's more than two options. So, like, you can jump, you can do so many things. Oh, I forgot to press B. Okay, well, we'll just... Usually that's not good, but it can work. Man. Oops. I was gonna keep drifting. Okay. Why am I messing up the timing slightly? So I think I'm late every time, so just do it a little earlier. And he finally rolls. Probably just gonna start rolling now whenever I'm right above him. Fake McCoy. Oh, there's the get-up attack. Good job, McCoy. You're learning. Man, this is annoying to play. How is this fun for him? Just staying by the ledge. Oh, I probably should. If I would have committed, I might have been able to kill. I'm surprised that didn't connect. Woo! Okay. Okay, so now this is getting pretty scary. Let's see. What? Up air? Oh, I'm scared to be up air. Okay, well, that was a really weird game. I didn't even know what to say because, like, it was just very strange that whole time. I don't know. Let's play him again. Let's see what happens. It's such a weird game. I mean, I feel like I picked up on his habits a little bit, and he didn't pick up on any of mine. I mean, you gotta do more than two things from the ledge, especially when you're Wii Fit Trainer and you camp the ledge. Like, there are so many. You could jump, you could fade back, you could drop down and then do the soccer ball. I mean, there are so many things that you can do other than what you're doing, Fake McCoy. Maybe just playing on, like, extreme autopilot? Weird. That was a weird exchange. Whoa! I healed from the soccer ball and got him? I've never had that happen before. Interesting. I'd probably nair or do something to try and cover both of the options. But I kind of want to just hard commit to one. Yeah, this matchup is a lot easier with the power, obviously. Yeah, I could probably... There you go, finally called out something. Oh, wow. Yeah, it shield poked the second time, so... And I've got his power, so just time it right. That should get him... Oh, a little early. At least I've kept the power for this long, so that's nice. Oh, I was trying to get mine off. Okay, so he has gained a lot percent. Deep breathing. Yeah, this guy hasn't used deep breathing much either. That's very weird. Like... Oh, he has mixed up his timings a little bit. So he's not... He's catching on that I'm catching on a little bit. But still. That should not kill, because Kirby is thick. That'll kill, though. I probably could use that a little bit more. Oh. Had the read. Doing just a down smash. Because if they wait on the light too long, I can hit them. So let's try that this time. Let's try a down smash. I guess I will just miss him. That works. Like, my guy, you gotta just... Like, does he not realize that's where I'm catching him every time? Maybe he just doesn't know all the different options. Or playing on extreme autopilot. Yeah! We fit Kirby. Okay. I don't think I have any, I forgot, I haven't been ducking much because, like, we haven't had many, like, neutral exchanges. Most of them are just when one of us is sitting at the ledge. And by one of us, I mean him. Oh. That should kill. Okay, well, that's another game. Oh, I could have taunted. I'm not going to play him again because I think you guys understand what I'm trying to say is mix up your ledge get-ups. I have a whole video on all of the different ledge options and when to use them, how to mix them up. Go watch that video because clearly that last guy needed to watch that. Ooh, Wolf. Okay, this might be my last one. We'll make it a little bit shorter of a video. I like the Wolf matchup. I mean, I don't love it. Oops. But it's not bad for Kirby. Kirby can definitely do fine in this matchup. So when his shield is like that, a lot of times I'll try and get the shield break, which is never really, usually not great to do. But I go for it a lot just because, you know, gotta do it for the combo video. Yep. Down smash is really good against Wolf's recovery if you can time it right. You have to, if you time it too late, you'll get punished pretty hard. So here I'm just kind of throwing out forward airs, down tilting, just to get stage control, mostly. Oh, I didn't think it'd cross up. Got him. Oh. That just killed! Wow, he probably could have made that back. Maybe, I don't know. Oh, I'm surprised up smashed. Uh-oh. Sir, do you realize what you're doing is not working, right? Oops. I think I just wasn't DIing that right. I don't know. So Nair is not super safe on shield, I don't think. It might be when he times his Nair, but either way, I've been able to punish it a couple times. I haven't got a single jab block this game. I don't think I'll really be able to now, but yeah, they've mostly gotten their techs. And it is really helpful if you catch on to their timings of the Nair to try and parry it, because then you can get a lot harder to punish. I haven't been great at parrying today, but oh, free JD is online. Okay, let's just... Is this gonna kill? Probably not, unless he DIs it wrong, yeah. So we're just gonna have some fun with this last kill. Get in my belly! Get in my belly! That should do it. Yeah, so even at a little bit higher of level, it still can work. Just because people still don't really know how to deal with it. Probably gonna leave. Yep, he's gonna leave. So we're not gonna wait for one more match. So we're gonna head out. But thank you guys for watching. Hopefully you found it helpful in some way. Let me know in the comments what other characters you want to see. I know a lot of you just want to keep seeing Kirby, and I'll keep putting out Kirby videos. But if there's any other specific characters, you know, I'll definitely try and get to them when I can. I've been kind of backed up lately, so I've got a bunch of new videos coming out soon, though. I hope, at least. I'm going to try and go back to doing 2 a week rather than 1 a week, because I really just want to put out more videos. I've got a lot of stuff, and I just end up not putting them out. So thank you guys for watching. If you find these videos helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel. It helps me out a lot. I just hit 10K. I'm super happy, super grateful. Thank you so much, guys. So yeah, that's about it. Thank you again for watching. Peace.